Student life. Student life is the seed time of a person. What he or she does in this part of life determines what he or she will be in the future. The first and foremost duty of any student, as everyone opines, is to study. The main study course of a student consists of the books or materials he or she is supposed to study. These are, undoubtedly, the primary source of knowledge for students. Since these are pre-planned and prepared according to their specific needs, they should first learn from them. A wide range of another reference as well as non-reference books, magazines, articles etc., however, may well be considered equally important in this regard. But studying does not imply only going through something. It necessarily means a thorough understanding of something in its context, so that there may be no undesirable gap between knowing and being able to apply what has been known. But such understanding is only possible when acquiring knowledge becomes a part of the practical life, or, in other words, goes hand in hand with applying it. A student is a student today only because she has to be a good citizen in the future. Therefore, another duty becomes obvious: the duty of keeping himself/herself well informed about various needs, resources, capabilities, and dreams of the nation as a whole. From the very preparatory phase of the student life, a student has to try to know his or her country, become a patriot. Apart from the study-related and social activities, a student has some family activities too, because the first field where knowledge acquired is to be applied is the family. For this reason, a student has to get involved in the weal and woe of his or her own family. Among all other duties, we can state, the paramount duty of a student should be to continue learning and simultaneously applying them in real-life situations. Therefore, the main duties of a student are to study, and study, sometimes from books and sometimes from actions.